Hi friends of Greenhouse, brighten up your mood and be with me for some time. Indulge in yourself. Let me start for the day. Please friends, puja is just approaching, but we have to be all careful. But we can always indulge in ourselves. So let me start with my products today. Thank you friends. Yeah, the mull cottons are always in demand from Greenhouse. So here's my sari number one. Number one sari. Look at this sari. All on hand batik. You're quite familiar with my stuff. And the blouse piece is, this is the blouse piece with the sari. The sari costs 1850. All my mull cottons are for 1850. Sari number two. The feel, the touch, it's so soft. In this humid weather, you can just wrap it and just wear it. Wash and wear. They're very comfortable ones. 1850. Such a cool effect. Look at the batik. Wonderful batik. With this kind of blouse piece, these are going for 1850. The third one, a floral batik has been created. Eta dekhun. Soft feel of the sari. For the heat months, it's very comfortable. I'm telling you, this is also going for 1850. Number two. This has a blouse piece. I would like to show you. Screenshot and send me if you have liked the sari. The blouse piece. This is on Bonikhali Tangail checkered cotton on beige. The color is beige. This is our famous Angur Lata design. Simplicity is beauty. Looks very elegant when worn. They are very nice saris. Khubi halka, mosrin ekebare. The border is all throughout. This is for 3100. Here's the special one. Etaro bhishon demand amader. This is on half tussar. Zari stripe. Famous Padolata design. This costs 5600. The texture, so beautifully done up. This is for 5600. The blouse piece. Last minute puja shopping. এগুলো নিয়ে নিন যার যেরকম দরকার ছিল with red border hand painted ones. Sari number 6, hand painted on checkered, the red checks, matha border. Number 6 is for 1800, hand painted ones. A new color, number 7, lemony green, hand painted ones. It will hold the color, no need to worry. 7 নম্বর শাড়ি, 1800 টাকা দাম। এগুলো আমাদের মিক্স ম্যাচ করা শাড়ি, অন ব্ল্যাক থান, ধনেখালি থান। We have highlighted the sari with a handloom border. This is a Manipuri style border, and these embroideries were done on it to highlight the simple black sari. The sari has its own blouse piece. $2150 দাম। এটা একটু মণিপুরি স্টাইলের এফেক্ট দেয়া হয়েছে। $2150 dear. Number 9, sari number 9, they are all 100 count cottons with this kind of blouse piece with azrak border and azrak patches. This is for 2200 only. 2200 for this sari, a beautiful one. They're all block print with handloom patches. To keep the balance, we have given this blouse. These are all block prints, and this is the handloom cloth ikat. It doesn't add to the weight of the sari. This sari costs 2200 dear. এগারো নম্বর শাড়ি। These are the precious ones. এবার খুব সুন্দর আমরা বাপ্তা সিল্ক করিয়েছি, but the cost is little enhanced, little up. These are for 4700. The artisans were very efficient ones, and they told me that it will be little higher side. 4700 for this Bapta, episode 41, number 11 sari. $4,700. All throughout same print, very lively. This is for 4,700, dear. These are English roses, the lavender ones. Ki shundor color ta. Color scheme is wonderful. $4,700 for this saree also. Look at the bafta, very comfortable, magical material. Shall I show you the fall of the saree? Just a minute, Meena, let me show. The drape is so very beautiful. Look at the drape. This is the bafta silk. Look at the drape. It falls so beautifully. And this is 4,700 for this piece. This is saree number 12. And these are Bishnupur Katan. These are all Katan silk batik. Vibrant yellow. Darun color. Look at the palla part. এটা কিন্তু খুব সুন্দর লাগবে পরলে। Look, very bright on you. Very beautiful. Very nice. এটা luxurious silk, 5,600. 5,600 for number 13, and we have a running blouse with this, with a border there. This is again on Bishnupur Katan. 5,600 again, dear, for number 14. Best of batik, abstract ones. Look at the batik border. This is the palla. $5,600. Here's one more special one. This is again 5,600. Number 15. পনেরো নম্বর শাড়ি দেখুন। And the blouse section, diagonally striped, very smart blouse. 5,600 for this saree. They are all handcrafted saree. ষোলো নম্বর শাড়ি দেখুন, number 16. This is again 5,600. This is designed beautifully. When draped, it will look very nice. It comes in place. And the color is little deep peach in color, little bit of onion shade. The blouse section, look at the quality, so very beautiful. 5,600. Now Goddess bless all of us. মা দুর্গা কি সুন্দর ক্রিয়েট করেছে দেখুন, মা দুর্গা। Very festive, all lotus motif. With a red symbolic border on katan. Look at my artisan's job. This is for 6,000 dear. The black piece is red in black in color. There's a black and white. Very unusual, very classy. One more Durga idol created on her aanchal. These are all artwork. শিউলি ফুল ছড়ানো আছে। Number 18, all over শিউলি ফুল। $6,000 for this piece, cracked blouse piece. Divine, এত সুন্দর হয়েছে। This is on Gicha Tasar. All handcrafted. Ari embroidery, thread work. Number 19. Look at the aanchal section. Greenhouse specializes on Ari work also. এগুলো Ari work এর শাড়ি। And the blouse piece. This is for 7,500. This is a very familiar sari from Greenhouse and lot of you have liked, so I keep making this tussar. This is for 10,400 on Kosa Tussar. Parsi bordered sari with paisleys and the aanchal. Actually wanted to take once more. ভীষণ ব্যথা করছে রে, কটা আছে আরো। This is the saree number 21. Saree number 21 is going for 5,400. Cutwork embroidery on chanderi. Cutwork embroidery on chanderi. Very bright one. 5,400. 5,400 only. Single দেখাতে হবে। Look at this. This cut work. 5,400 for this cut work. Yeah, these are the new picks. We got them yesterday only. Zari border, Tassar batik. $6,200. The quality. Zari border, Tassar batik. Multicolored one. All throughout. And the blouse section. Number 23. This is also for 6,000, not 6,200. 6,000 only. 6,000. This is for 6,000 only. This saree is for 6,000. Kind of monstera leaves. The blouse. You can put it at the back, that floral design. The geometrical ones, long awaited ones. 6,800 গাছি তসরে। 6,800. All throughout the same border, same kind of border on both sides. This is the blouse piece with this. Rust in color, the background. 6,800. Look at this, এটা খুব সুন্দর হয়. Always a regular item, but it keeps moving. 6800 for this number 25. Very symbolic with fish and all festivities and lotus. Blending টাও খুব ভালো হয়েছে, lovely blending of colors. Happy shopping, dear. This is the last one I am showing you, and then after puja we meet. So happy puja to you, but be careful, stay safe, stay pretty, wear nice good saris. Number 26, famous Dumur Pata design. This is Dumur is figs. Zon Gachi Toshor 7,000. That's all. God bless you all, dear.